Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a ton of new glitches to talk about today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up I want to go ahead and talk about our new Gain coupons. So the 5 off 30 did expire yesterday, and we woke up this morning with some new Gain coupons, and not every account received the same thing. So on one of my accounts I have a 10 off 40, and then on another account I also have a 7 off 30. So you guys let me know what you received on your accounts down in the comment section below. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump right into the rest of our new Dollar General digital coupons. So of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Nivea lotions. These start out at $5 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. However, on my account, I did have a higher value coupon for 2 off 1. Next up, we have that Gain coupon that we talked about at the beginning of the video, so definitely go ahead and clip that one. Next, we have Scott, and we also have Cottonelle and Viva and Kleenex. So it's really good to see that those coupons are coming back around. So we've got this 1 off 1. If you want to pick up the 12 pack of the Scott bath tissue, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. If you want to pick up the 6 packs, those are priced at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60. Alright, next up we have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. That does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. That would make for a great filler item on Saturday. We have a 150 off 1 for the Finish products. So if you want to pick up the 12 count of dishwasher tablets, those are priced at $3.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. And then you can also pick up the Finish Jet Dry Rinse-Aid. I believe those are priced at $4.95. And also we have the Finish Quantum 12 count. Those are also priced at $4.95. And I do believe we should have Ibotta rebates for all 3 of those products. We have a 2 off 1 for the Schick razors. Those are priced at $5.35, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.35. We have a new 1 off 1 Gain coupon. So these products, some of them are actually on sale this week for $4.45. After the coupon you're going to pay $3.45. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Scott paper towels. So the 6 count, those are priced at $6. After the coupon you're going to pay $5. We have a 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And we also have a new 3 off 1 for the Gain. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate 360 manual toothbrushes or the mouthwash. Both of those products are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Max White toothbrushes or the charcoal toothbrushes. Those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Next up, we have the 1 off 1 for the Cottonelle. So this works on the 4 count mega rolls. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And then we have our 1 off 1 for our Viva paper towels. So the 6 count, those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. Next up, we have a 2 off 2 for the Quaker products. Now, this coupon does work on a lot of different products, and keep in mind you can mix and match. But the lowest priced item that I found were the 9 count instant oatmeal. So if you want to pick up 2 boxes of those, they're priced at $2.50 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2, which is a great deal. However, this coupon is glitching and is working on some dollar bags of cereals. So we have the Captain Crunch cereal and the Oops All Berry cereal found in the dollar aisle for $1 each. Pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Alright, so definitely clip that one. Next up, we have 50 cents off for the Palmolive dish soaps. These are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Alright, next up we have that 1 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions or the Nivea lotions. We have higher value coupons on those products, so I'm going to skip on that one. Next up, we have 50 cents off for the Lysol wipes. These are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3, and I do believe we have an Ibotta rebate for those as well. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a 150 off too for the Chlorine. If you want to pick up the Chlorine sprays, those are priced at $3 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. Next up, we have one off one for the Tide laundry products. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Alright, next up, we have this digital coupon on the Dawn Easy Squeeze. It's save $2.99 off when you purchase one of the Easy Squeeze and one of the larger liquid dish soaps. However, this coupon is glitching and is working when you pick up 2 of the Dawn Easy Squeezes. So pick up 2, use this coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2.71 for 2. So that is definitely an amazing glitch for this week. We have a 1 off 3 for the boxes of Kleenex. Now this is the single boxes. They are priced at $1.75, so pick up 3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25 for 3. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the boxes of Kleenex that you can find in the dollar aisle. So pick up 3 of those. That's going to put you at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 3. So that is definitely an amazing deal as well. Next up, we have a $5.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. So those are priced at $12. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. However, keep in mind that we do have some of those holiday scents on clearance right now, and I believe that that would make those just 25 cents if y'all can find those. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have an Olive Garden coupon. We have L'Oreal Paris. We have a 2 off 1 for the Clorox Disinfecting Mist, 1 off 1 for the Downy. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. 2 off 1 for the All-In Purex. Those are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. 6 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris hair color products. Those are priced at $10 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $14 for 2. We have a 3 off 1 for the BioTrue products. Those are $11. We have a 1 off 1 for the Maxwell House Coffee. Those start out at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the Extra Laundry Detergent. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. There is another 6 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris Hair Colors. We have a 3 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer Liquid Laundry Detergent on the larger bottles. Those are priced at $10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have a 3 off 1 for the Tide laundry products. These are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And then we have this 1 off 3 for the Absorbent patches. So there's a couple of different ones that y'all can choose from. These are priced at $1 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 3. So another great filler item for Saturday. Alright, we have 1 off 1 for the Suavitel, 3 off 1 for the Renew, 1 off 1 for the Listerine products. Those start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 7 off 2 for the Preservision eye products. So these are pretty pricey as well at $10.50 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $14 for 2. And we do have a lower value coupon that you guys are going to see here in just a second. Alright, next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring and Soft Soap products. We have a 1 off 2 for the Soft Soap hand soaps or the Speed Stick deodorant. So the hand soaps are priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.90 for 2. If you want to pick up the Speed Stick deodorants, those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50 for 2. We have the 2 off 1 for the Imodium Lactate and Pepsid products. There's that lower value Preservision coupon, so I'm going to pass on that. We have 1 off 1 for the Systex, and then we have a bunch of DG store coupons. So we should be able to come up with some deals, stacking some coupons with these DG store coupons this week. We have a 1 off 1 for the Bic gift sets. These are priced at $10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9. Then we have 50 cents off for the Rexall, $1.50 off 3 American greeting cards. So this coupon is supposed to work on the cards that are priced at $1 each. So if you pick up 3, you're going to pay $1.50 for 3 $1 coupons. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 50-cent coupons. So if you pick up 3 of those, that's going to put you at $1.50. After the coupon, that is going to make them all 3 completely free. So another awesome glitch for this week. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Believe Beauty nail polish and color products. So this works on a lot. There's some nail polish priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. We also have some nail polishes priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. We have a lot of free products this week. This is amazing. Now we also have one particular nail polish that is priced at 75 cents. It is the For the Win color. It's kind of a dark brown or maybe even a black color. So if you pick up that, use this coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 25 cents in overage. All right, next up we have the 125 off one for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the 50 count fish oil, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We're going to go ahead and clip all of these DG store coupons. Next up, we have the DG Health Ibuprofen, 1 off 1. These start out at $2.85, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. All right, moving on down, we have some more vitamins and cold medicine coupons, so go ahead and clip all of those. All right, guys, now I do have one more coupon matchup that we need to talk about because it didn't pop up on the website for me, but we do have this 2 off 1 on the Splenda products. So if you want to pick up the 40 count sweetener packets, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Or you can actually pick up the bags, the 3.8 ounce bags of sweetener. Those are priced at $2.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. So we definitely have some amazing deals this week at Dollar General. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.